Novo Nordisk is a Danish pharmaceutical company with a field of expertise in diabetes. It has several drugs in its portfolio, including insulin. There is much hype around Novo Nordisk currently, because some of their drugs are well positioned for extreme future growth. These drugs are Wegovy and Ozempic. Both are brand names for the molecule semaglutide. Semaglutide is a GLP-1 receptor agonist. GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like-peptide 1 and is a hormone in the human body. Being an agonist means it has the same properties as the GLP-1 hormone itself. GLP-1 is an endogenous hormone in the human body that is being produced after eating a meal. It is a natural satiety hormone to promote digestion of food and absorption of nutrients in the body. GLP-1 has many effects in the body, but in the current context it is being used as a drug that's part of the treatment of diabetes, of which obesity is an important risk factor. Already since 2012 is semaglutide used as a drug against diabetes. It causes a feeling of satiety and less appetite to achieve weight loss and reduce body mass. This is helpful in the treatment of diabetes because it reduces insulin resistance, which is a direct cause of diabetes mellitus. The treatment for diabetes is just one indication, the other one is obesity. GLP-1 is a hormone that creates a feeling of satiety and less appetite. It naturally leads to a decreased food intake, and for that reason it could be an important part in tackling obesity. This is seen in the current time, and Ozempic for the indication of obesity is being prescribed much. Even so much it is out of stock most of the time. For the very recent time span the hype is fueled by results of clinical trials in which semaglutide, and so Wegovy and Ozempic, have positive effects not only on body weight and diabetes, but also on cardiovascular diseases. In the future Ozempic could have a place in a lot more indications than just diabetes and obesity alone. We live in a time where a significant part of the society is overweight and obese. Obesity comes with a lot of problems, such as cardiovascular complications, joint overload, retinopathy, neuropathy, and much more. GLP-1 agonists like Ozempic could for that reason be very beneficial for a lot of people to stop the weight gain and be in better health generally. Novo Nordisk has a great benefit of being a first mover, that is, it has the first GLP-1 agonist for multiple indications and it has a great reputation. It could be a good long-term investment opportunity because of the demand for Ozempic. For the reason that so many people could benefit from this drug, it is clear that demand for Ozempic will stay high for a long period to come. Other companies are trying to catch up, and some are further far in this process than others. Eli Lilly owns another GLP-1 agonist called tirzepatide. Tirzepatide is both a GLP-1 and GIP agonist, having the same, or even more enhanced effects as semaglutide. Tirzepatide is sold as Mounjaro, and its sales are growing rapidly. Lastly, Pfizer is pursuing the development of a third GLP-1 agonist called danuglipron. However, in the case of Pfizer, danuglipron is only in phase 2, which means that approval is years away. It is clear that the future of GLP-1 agonists is bright, because it tackles a big problem of modern society: overweight, diabetes, and complications of obesity. It provides good investment opportunities for the long term, and for sure will make society more healthy.